First day of Delhi Assembly session, and looks like already there is commotion and chaos. So there's not even the time of lull before the storm. What we had was on the day of the oath ceremony, massive hangama being reported. Aam Aadmi Party claiming that they have seen that both Bhagat Singh and B.R. Ambedkar's photographs earlier that were in the Delhi Assembly, in the Delhi Secretariat as well, have been removed. They're saying BJP is anti-Sikh, anti-Dalit. They've given a proof of their own nature. They've basically compared the images and said, look at these images, and it just shows that now where Rekha Gupta sits, that there is no image of Bhagat Singh and Ambedkar. We'll try and get clarity if this is the Chief Minister's office or the Delhi Secretariat or the Delhi Assembly, where the session presently is on. We'll try and get more clarity on that. Let's listen in first to what Atishi is alleging here. She's now the leader of opposition.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने अपनी असली मानसिकता का प्रमाण, दलित विरोधी मानसिकता का प्रमाण देश के सामने रख दिया है। जब मैं मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में काम कर रही थी, आप देख सकते हैं कि सीएम कार्यालय में पीछे बाबा साहब अंबेडकर और शहीद आजम भगत सिंह की फोटो लगी हुई, और ये आज की फोटो है जब हमारे विधायक दल मिलने गए, और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये वही सीएम कार्यालय है, और ये दिखाता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक दलित विरोधी पार्टी है, एक सिख विरोधी पार्टी है।
My colleague Kumar Kunal is joining me now from Delhi Assembly. Kunal, good afternoon. You tell me, you've been covering Delhi politics now for so long. What is Atishi alleging? What is this change? Has the BJP said anything about it? And is this Delhi Assembly or Delhi Secretariat?
See, there are two offices of Chief Minister. One is there in the Delhi Secretariat, another is here at Delhi Assembly. So today, when Atishi visited Delhi Assembly's office, she claimed that the pictures of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh, which was earlier placed in the CM's office, was removed by the new Chief Minister. Now, what actually BJP is telling, that according to the rules, the pictures of Prime Minister and the President are mandatory in the office of the Chief Minister, along with the Mahatma Gandhi's picture as well. So they have not actually removed, but the places which are actually designated for the Prime Minister and President pictures are given to the pictures of Prime Minister and President. So that was the hangama all about. What actually Atishi is claiming, that they are not respecting Bhagat Singh and Ambedkar. At the same time, what BJP is claiming, that they have also, during their tenure, Aam Aadmi Party has not respected the house's respect. They didn't respect the house. So actually, they actually disrespected B.R. Ambedkar during their tenure.
So again, you know, that also then will beg a question, that did the Aam Aadmi Party not have the PM and the President's posters there? That's become a showdown. Now, first day, no respite already. They are in a confrontation. Both have good numbers.